Ibhola lethu, ibhola lomzansi namaphethelo. It's still your boy LMK. So while we're busy having an argument between Ronaldo and Messi ukuthi who's the best to ever play in diski, I decided to tweak it a bit and just get a first 11 and see ukuthi kuwo wonke labantu abalokhu baphikisana, if they had to do i-first 11 bazobafaka na laba bantu laba, and if ababafaka it means then none of them is the greatest of all times. So I've got views from amajita la group in ibhola lethu. So let's just play the video and see ukuthi nifrostana bobani. So I'm gonna start with the great shiny formation about the 4-2-3-1, which is goalkeeper wakhe kuzoba uBuffon. We know Buffon, and then Maldini as the central back, and VVD. We left back no Ashley Cole, go right back no Danny Alves. Then I'm defensive midfielder with Henry Pilo, and then Patrick Vieira. Left wing CR7, attacking midfield with Zidane Zizou. Right wing Messi, then striker riding Ronaldo. So bakhona boy-2, which means isaqhubeka riding leyo. Then we've got the clip Mangeta. I'll just play it, but locally masiletha la Mkonti, we've got Itu as the riding first 11 got the great. Still, this is local now. We've got Itu Kune, we've got Patrick Mabedi and OJ yabaphera lapha emuva, and then uLavas Muhlale as he riding right back yakhe, and then Jimmy Tau, and then kuma defensive midfielders uJabulani Mendu, indodana Eskel, no Roger Fetumba. Then left wing yakho noSkarango Bese, and 16 V as attacking midfielder. Ku right wing JJP ngwana wathwinya, Jabu Jeremiah Pule sekumahlangu manje umphethe la ku right wing, and then ku striker Rafael Chuku awusuka badoda. So that is the international ne local Viega ka the great.
I think they're my favorite year is Ospan because of the greatest is Osquenya. Because as a issue now, your favorite most likely will be when personally greatest yako. For me, I'm betting I'm betting Begela for me new goalkeeper Kone Parega Vimbela Brazil Dala Tafarel. Ngicela ngibona goalkeeper compose kanjalo calm ogezayo ngithola for mina the best right back engayibona ngamehlo ami so uKafu eparadlalela eBrazil ngithola the best left back engayibona ngamehlo ami favorite uRoberto Carlos. Hayi ukuthi ngibase because I'm basing of what I saw mina ngintwana from isikhathi ibhola ngicela ukulibona ngithola. And kuma center back pairing one of my greatest Cannavaro for high tech and timing ngapare ngayavala number 4 ngafaka uNesta. Ayikho ibhari aggressive but intelligent njengoNesta for mina personally. Number 6 enkhaya mile para Leicester Africa ndilecela uSkutha ekhe ibhari ngayimela leyo. Number 8 wami ibhari bedlala Real Madrid uRedondo captain Real Madrid ata Argentina. Number 10 wami ulendona le bedlala Liverpool Coutinho yangithola. Ku left one as an offensive umuntu okhatha ngo with the right foot. I've always loved wingers umuntu ngimthanda ukuqala uHelman Mkhelele. Ngibeka on the left akhathe ngo right. On the right umuntu azokhatha on ngo left. Ale obvious mfethu leyo Lionel Messi straight. My best center forward as a striker Hasselbank ibhari kanje yaseHolland ngathi kuyadlalela iChelsea ayikhohlwa. Same goes like Ronaldo utikitesa media because what makes Ronaldo the greatest amagoli na kuhighlight manje yavala ama-record wabo lapha e-England. After lapho signing clause ku Real Madrid gonna go to Real Madrid uzovala history of Ronaldo kora ama-goal sesothina after lapho. So you cannot say media played a role, or else Ronaldo success was through media. Media is the only platform, brother. You understand? And stats itself, numbers speaks. You understand? And when it comes to namanje, akuna player eke la kora amagoli amaningi ama-free kick ukudlula uMessi. Go check it. Akunama-player amaningi. Ama-assist are more equivalent to amagoli awakorile, dog. Come on, bruh. You think these people just stack summit and say Messi is the greatest player? No, bruh. Numbers, and ridiculous and crazy numbers. And then Naguchi tell me if there is a tournament where Messi didn't conquer tournaments, bruh. Messi had incredible moments in tournaments that puts him as the greatest players of all time. Umuntu single-handedly adla ama-team and I won. Akuthi bamnike penalty. Akuthi bamshaya nge-tap-in, single-handedly enza magic. Umuntu akhipha iReal Madrid kuma-same asuka ibhola from a center agwinye iground yonke.